Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for July 20th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved to the downside, overall still moving sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 79.69, possibly as low as 78.10. Look for some resistance around 79.35 and look for some support around 78.50. Okay, now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair continues to move to the upside all this week, at least so far. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 143.41, possibly as low as 140.54. Look for some resistance around 142.75 and look for some support around 141.00. Now the pound-US dollar pair, this pair moved to the upside, did create an inside bar. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.8299, possibly as low as 0.8104. Look for some resistance around 0.8275 and look for some support around 0.8195. Now the US Swiss, this pair created an inside bar as well, did close down. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.8299, possibly as low as 0.8104. Look for some resistance around 82.75 and look for some support around 0.8195. All right, what am I looking for during this next week? I'm sorry, during this next session, rather. Look at the pound US dollar pair. It has created an inside bar. We will look for the breakout to occur. You can see we've hit this area of resistance twice now. So we should look for a breakout, most likely to the upside, just from the distance standpoint. Looking to grab just a few pips, not a whole lot out of this. Looking to grab roughly about 16 pips to the upside on that move. Now looking at the US Swiss, this pair also created an inside bar. Not sure if it's going to go to the upside or the downside. We'll just have to wait and see. If it does move to the downside, I have a exit here at this session's low. I think that would be a prudent place to put it, grabbing roughly about 33 pips. To the upside, I would look for it to come on up to this close, grabbing roughly about 25 pips. The only thing you need to be concerned about that's right at the 0-0 level, which is kind of what we want to do, is bail before it hits that area, because there's could be potential resistance there, strong resistance points. So grab 25 pips and then exit the trade. All right, now as far as news analysis go, we have the German Purchase Managers Index manufacturing for July being released at 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has moved from 54.6 to 54.1. We also at 4 a.m. Eastern Time have the Eurozone Purchasing Managers Index being released for July. Consensus on that is that it has moved down from 52.0 to 51.5. Now we also have the Eurozone meeting of financial ministers at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. However, no consensus on that, of course, just the information will be released. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.